So I think we're really here to kind of just celebrate the advances that we've had in breast cancer. We've gone so far coming up with new modalities, new screening, timing for screening, really doing a good job of identifying the risk factors and identifying patients most at risk for breast cancer, and really catching breast cancer in an early stage so it becomes most treatable.
Awareness and detection is probably the most important keys for the management of breast cancer. The earlier we can get to a lesion or a breast cancer case, the better the outcomes have been proven.
1 in 8 women. My grandmother, her twin sister, they both had breast cancer at age 65. You're not going to find someone that doesn't know someone that's had it or they themselves have had it. It's very common, but it's also very treatable, especially caught early.
We know that now that we're getting the word out, people are feeling more comfortable coming out and getting screenings. I know that some people they do get embarrassed to come for their mammograms. They feel that they're being exposed, and it's just great knowing that this is becoming more of a commonplace thing and that this is a normal thing, and that these are really important things to take care of, and that we're really promoting our health above the embarrassment.